So let me show you how to make everything larger on your iPhone 17 and also 17 Pro. So this makes text, the icons bigger. So go to settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll to display and brightness, tap on that. And then you can scroll under display and brightness all the way down to display zoom. You can tap on that. And then you want to select larger text. Now larger text will make all the text larger and all the icons larger, as you can see. So you can tap on that and then tap on done in the top right corner. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to use the font zoomed. Select that, and that's going to zoom in everything. So just tap on done, and now you can see all the text is bigger and the icons are much larger. All right. So that is basically how to use the zoom effect, or just make everything larger on the interface of your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.